Imagine a world where words twist and turn like acrobats. Let's dive into some unique tongue twisters that will tickle your tongue. First, gleeful geese giggle as they gobble green grapes in the garden. Can you say that 5 times fast? Next, Tim's tin toys tick till 12, then tumble to the table. What a chaotic scene. Now, picture prickly pears poking patiently past painted pinning posts. It's a prickly predicament. Jumpy Jerry juggles jelly beans just before jumping jagged jigs. What a sight to see. And finally, velvet violets vanish very vividly under violet velvet vests. Each twist is a challenge, but they're all a blast. Want to up the ante? Try the invisible sentence challenge, where each word gets shortened. Or swap your senses and say, "This song tastes spicy." Feeling adventurous? Form a sentence where the last letter of one word is the first letter of the next, like dogs sneak, keeping growling giant silent. And for a real workout, speak a full sentence using just one vowel. Let's embrace the fun of language and see how far our tongues can twist. Got you? Keep having fun and like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.